my koutou, Kor Beth tupu ingoa. My name is Beth.
In Morena Winton School, Kor Tiana, ahau. I am Tiana. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 8th of May.
Okay, let's get into kupu or wiki. This week's word is papa tokora, which is te reo for playground.
As in, meet you on the papa tākaro at lunch.
Yes, I'll see you there.
Health and safety news. Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Be seen Winton School.
It's Monday, which means Tidiest class dues. I wonder who it was.
A huge well done to room 3 and 8. You guys rock.
Birthday news. Two are Winton School today.
A huge happy birthday to Kate in room 9 who is turning 9 today.
And Malachi in room 11 who is turning 11 today. We hope you have a blast of a day. Can all year 6 to 8 children interested in being librarians meet in the library at morning tea?
There is practice for the musical festival group with Miss Crowder in room 11 at morning tea. Make sure you remember.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay awesome, Winton School.